Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your password on Windows 11 or 10 PC in just a few simple steps. First, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner and click on Settings and open it. Here, click on Account. Then, click on Sign In Options, which is on the left side. Click on Password. Click on the Change button. Now, you can see the Change Password screen. Enter your current password. Click on Next. In the first box, type your new password. In the second box, retype the same password to confirm they match. In the third box, you can write a password hint to help you remember if needed. Click on the Next button. Then, click on the Finish button. And that's it. Your password has been successfully changed on Windows 10 or 11. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.